Hi there, I'm Dr. Candice Bovell, a registered clinical psychologist. If you are an adult living in Ontario and experiencing anxiety, stress, or depression, I'm here to help.
What is social anxiety disorder? Building good relationships with other people can reduce stress and anxiety in your life. In fact, improving your social support is associated with better mental health in general because having good friends can act as a safeguard for feelings of anxiety and low mood. This is especially true if you are socially anxious and really want to make friends, but are either too fearful or unsure about how to reach out. As a result of these anxious feelings, you may even avoid social situations. But good news, treatment is available from Wellness View Psychological Services, Ontario. With psychotherapy, you can learn and practice communication skills and gradually improve your ability to develop and maintain successful relationships. Treatments for social anxiety include relaxation training and behavioral activation that involve regularly practicing breathing exercises, relaxation exercises, and engaging in activities that are relaxing, enjoyable, or useful. Cognitive behavior therapy, or CBT, including exposure therapy, that teaches you how to challenge and change problematic thought patterns and unhelpful behaviors that contribute to symptoms. Mindfulness-based cognitive therapy that teaches you how to be in the present moment on purpose in a non-judgmental way. Interpersonal therapy that helps you improve your relationships. And social skills training to improve your communication skills. A minimum of 8 to 10 therapy sessions is recommended.
If you would like to book an appointment, please visit www.wellnessview.ca and complete the confidential screener.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.